Hey buddies, now deleting, renaming and creating of folders has become very easier. Why? Because you can do all three functions with your keyboard. In our previous video, we looked at how you can perform those three functions, that is, creating, deleting and renaming folders with your mouse. So in today's video, we are going to look at how you can perform those three functions with your keyboard. So please stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, share it to others, and then leave a comment in the comment section if there is something you don't understand. Now, let's get right into the video. Alright, so you're going to start with creating your folder with shortcuts. Now, before we talk about the shortcuts, note that at the end of this video, there will be bonus tips. So stay tuned to the end of the video. Using your keyboard shortcut to create a folder, what you want to do is tap on Ctrl and Shift and the letter N from your keyboard. Now you can see on my screen that I'm having a new folder. Now I can give you this folder any name. In our case, we are choosing new folder. After creating your folder, you might wanna change the folder's name. Now, as we saw in the previous video, we use our mouse to change the name, or we follow some steps with our mouse to change the name. Or the keyboard shortcut to change the name, in my case, is this FN and function number 2. But on other computers or laptops, you can just tap on the function number 2 and then you can see the name highlighted. Now we are going to change our folder name to folder 1. Alright, so now that we know how to create, or we know the shortcut to create our folder and rename it, how do we delete it? It's very simple. Look for the delete button or the delete key on your keyboard and tap on it once. You can see the folder is being moved to the recycle bin. Alright, so that's how you can create, rename and delete folder with your keyboard shortcuts. Now this also works for files and shortcuts as well. Now, one of the first of the bonus tips I want to give you is how to undo deletion. And the keyboard shortcut for that is Control. You hold the Control and Z. You can see our folder is now back on our desktop. To copy this folder or any file, you can use Control and C to copy it. At the same time, to cut the folder, you can use Ctrl and X. So you can see this folder has been dimmed. It's not bright as the other folders, which means it has been cut. Now, if you want to paste this folder as one of the bonus tips, you can use Ctrl and V. In my case, this folder is already on the desktop, so I cannot paste it. Now, the last bonus tip is how to permanently delete the folder without moving it, or a file without moving it to the recycle bin. So to do that, you hold on the Shift key and then you tap on the delete key as well. And here you can see that I've been prompted that do you want to delete, permanently delete this folder? Then you tap yes. Okay. Alright, so that's it guys. But you may ask how much should you even consider using your keyboard how you have your mouse, because you can perform the same operations that you use the keyboard for without the mouse. But the fact is, with the keyboard you can perform these operations faster than using the mouse. That's why it is necessary to know some of these functions. So why not familiarize yourself with the keyboard shortcuts other than always you trying to use the mouse to perform this kind of operations. Okay, so I think you've learned something new. I think you enjoyed the video. Please give it a subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and then share it to other people who might be in need of it as well. Thank you for watching the video to this part, and see you in the next one.